Hello dear subscribers, today I'll tell how to download some video from TikTok. So for doing that, let's tap on share button. After, we just need to scroll down here and just choose copy link. So after, we just need to open Safari, just go back. So let's write in the Google TikTok. So let's open some website. So now you can also paste here your link, and now just tap on download. So now just tap on download, close, and now we can also successfully download our file. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click on my